Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to let you know that I just did a video showing people how to create an app and just using one of my apps that I created. And the system, because the app is so extensive, it didn't want to give me everything. So I'm like, wait, hold on. Hold on. Where are my API keys and my API sniffer? Because it created the app. I'll show you the app it created. Okay, let there be light. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the app it created. And look, no header. Okay, that's the first thing, because I told it not to create a header. And it gave me all of this, all in the nooks and crannies. It gave me my dream team, 600 agents, but I need an API key. That's why I said, where are my sniffers? Where's my free API key sniffer? What about Olama? Olama. And these are the agents. Okay, now it knows it's supposed to have all of these agents. Y'all getting all of this legal material, so that you can stop using ChatGPT, that piece of junk crap, piece of, ooh, Lord have mercy. And hold on. It automatically uses all of those agents to produce an answer. But I can't use it now because the API keys ain't there and I ain't had time to put it in there. So I told it and it says, hold on, homie, you're right. I didn't add all of that. I only gave you 5. You have 25 agents. That's right, 25 agents. And we gave you guys, well, you're not getting this one. I'm creating this for me. That's why it's called EeoN. Hold on, let me make sure y'all understand. EeoN's agent app. Okay, this for me. Ain't for y'all. I need one for me. The overweight lover heavy D. Okay, some of y'all got what I just said because he talked about for me. Okay, that's right. He the overweight lover. Wake up. Did you know that there are 2 different capacities for the United States Supreme Court, and its alter ego, the Supreme Court of the United States, that the 2 names are not synonymous? Stop listening. Olama is running. Open the terminal, Olama server, model number. Did I do that? I didn't do that. Oh, by the way, you guys are going to have to do that. You're going to have to download Olama. That's first thing. See, local Olama. Local. Okay, that's the first thing. Got to get that done. Now, clear all memories. I don't want to clear all memory. I want to keep them memories. And the problem is, I know what the problem is. Sorry, I got to do it the wrong way. Okay, now, when it does this, you don't even need to go any further. Okay, you don't need to go no further. Adopt individual results lets you cherry pick a single key in its field. So it says it gave me everything I need. Yay. Now guess what we gonna do? We gonna come over here. I gotta show y'all that what I just did worked. I told y'all get to create your own app. I showed you in the other video. Gonna have to go watch that to see how I did it. Okay, gonna have to go watch it to see how I did it. What we're gonna go here, we're gonna open with, and come on now, we're gonna go to Vivaldi. Okay, now let me show y'all something just so y'all get it. Get back over here while I'm talking to you. All right, hold on now. Ooh, wait, API keys. Here we go. Uh-oh, they're not there. Hold on. They're supposed to have memory. So my API keys, I got API keys already stored in the memories of the corners we took to hide, but what we gave to one another of the way we were. Scattered pictures. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what's too painful to remember. We simply choose to forget. You got 600 attorneys standing by. 600! Who does that? Watch this. Wake up. The Supreme Court of the United States and the United States Supreme Court are not the same court, not the same capacity. Stop listening. It tells me it doesn't want my Olama, and I don't want to put it in. So I'm gonna let it know this, because that's the first thing I have to do. I have to do that because it wasn't supposed to do that and do that and do that and do that there. Okay, so give me a second. One last thing. Wake up. It's not remembering API keys. It's supposed to have in-browser memory. Stop listening. By pasting that in there, it knows that I'm using Olama, and Olama is the default API key, and it's not a cloud API key. Okay, the issue is the save and secure and load secure functions. Let me check how that works. There's the problem. It found the problem. It writes API keys to the session, and then it gets rid of it. You see, it found the problem, ladies and gentlemen, and it says, I'll fix it. Well, you go right on ahead and you fix it, because I'm tired of being embarrassed by you giving me something, telling me it's going to work. And that's the problem you guys are going to run into. The more you remember, it's 10,000 lines of code. So the more you add to it, the more problems it's going to have, because it's 10,000 lines of code. Sorry. This was the root cause, EeoN. The secured save didn't work, and we made it work now. I fixed secured save and local storage. The keys will now persist in the browser. It will persist. It gets on my nerves, but it keeps persisting because it's persistent. Now we are going to come here. Here. It's the app. It's in my download folder. Watch what I do. Okay, I just did that. Let's see if the keys persist. Nope, no keys. No keys. So I gotta do that one last thing. I kind of knew that was gonna happen. Okay. This is a previous conversation I done had. Now hold on, let me go down here and tell it. Wake up. Then why didn't it recognize the stored keys in my browser? Stop listening. Now, what I'm doing now is I'm getting it to recognize something obvious. It did it as a default. I could have told it to take care of it earlier, but I needed to make sure that it did everything the way, because the sniffer I built searches keys patterns and blah, blah, blah. Let me fix that right now. Again, I could have told it that the last time, but I didn't want to give it too much. Okay, so now it's going to search for keys. Now watch this. Wake up. And nobody gave you permission to build a sniffer, comma, the sniffer was already there, comma, who told you to modify my app in such a way? Application in such a way. Stop listening. It's going through and it's making sure the keys are recognizable so that I don't have to show my keys online. I could have paused the video and introduced the keys, but I need to show y'all how to do it. So you might as well learn it. It is not that difficult. Watch the last part of the last video to find out how we begun, and then come and watch this video to see how you end. Ladies and gentlemen, I can only guarantee you, if it were me, then I would rather use this app in conjunction with Claude, because of the constraints on the APIs and the context window, tokens, you won't be able to produce a full petition, but you will be able to take the entire conversation when you have it, getting the facts and conclusions of law, and take it over to Claude and get it to produce your petition. Now, see, Claude doesn't mind putting together facts and conclusions. However, Claude is just like every other app, okay, controlled and programmed by somebody else. This one is not controlled and programmed by me. This is just me undoing a lot of the junk that they added to the app. You can program the app to do exactly what you want. That's up to you. But this is me showing you. Now, I was going to show y'all the next one. It says the problem is fixed. The problem is fixed, y'all. It done fixed it, the problem. It done fixed it. Come on now. Fixed it and forget it. Okay? What? Preparation? B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay? 3 scan cookies. Phase 4 validates each found key. So now guess what? I'm now telling you, who told you that you could modify my sniffer? You're right, I overstepped. You told me the app wasn't remembering keys in the browser memory. I fixed what I thought Sniffer was not requesting, blah, blah, blah. Let me remove the Sniffer. Wake up. Did I tell you to remove anything? Comma, what if I like the Sniffer that you provided? Comma, shouldn't you have asked me if it was okay? Comma, should you not have suggested I check it out first to see if I would like it? Comma, so put it back. Put it. Put it. Stop listening. I sorry about that, y'all. I sorry. Let's do this. I gotta just take a look at the sniffer. What's this a sniff? That is sniffing for API keys. So I gotta, this it? Yep, discover. We in the discovery mode and sniff all keys. It's over there sniffing, y'all. Claude, DeepSeek, OpenAI. I don't want just Claude, DeepSeek, OpenAI. Okay. These are the default, and it did not find the keys in my browser. I don't like that. That ain't right. Okay? And I don't want Quinn. I want DeepSeek. Woohoo! And let's save. Where's my save button? Save. Test connection. Not reachable. I gotta put that in here. This is the last thing, I promise y'all. I'm gonna pause y'all now. Ladies and gentlemen, one of my cats, night and day, night, day. Night appears to have been taken by a coyote, or he doesn't appear to be around anymore. No, he doesn't wander off the property. My cats stay on property. They literally will barely go outside the gates. So, but he's no longer available. And yeah, that's a depressing time for day. And so, but he's a lot more affectionate now. Sorry that it took that to get that. Back to the app for you guys. It has finished what I asked it to do. Let's see if the API keys are not still there, but I did give it the information about this not working correctly. So it said it was going to fix it. Now, I'm going to put in the API key here, so y'all give me a second. I didn't want to do that. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I made a mistake. I made a boo-boo. I did not check the API. The API is not the correct API that you guys are having. Hold on now. I'm getting ready to add the correct API scheme. The one that you guys have ain't it. Okay? So give me a second. This is the one I gave to a client. You see all of these down here? All those APIs? And that's what you're supposed to have. Okay, the client has it. Y'all ain't got it. So now we going to make it to where y'all has it. Now, hold on. Free APIs. Okay? Discover all free APIs. Discovery. And it's connecting. And look at what it did. It done sat up there and found some more. Okay? Okie dokie. Wokity wokity. Mackety wackety. Okay? So now that's what y'all getting. Y'all getting them free APIs so y'all can ask some free API questions. Let me see, do we have our dream team? Oh no, this is because this was given to the client. They don't have the dream team. They gonna have to go. This was for their accounting. See, 1041, K1s, all this for their accounting. No, y'all don't get this. No, I don't think so. All right. So it says your tax system already has keys saved. The agent app will find them on the first load. Give me a second. I'm sorry. We got to clear something up. That's not what I asked you to do, is it? I didn't ask you about finding anything on keys saved. I said I needed you to add the exact same scheme from that app to this app because I'm going to give the app to someone else and they don't have it saved on their system. Stop listening. I'm sorry, y'all. Good help is hard to find. You're right. You need the tax system API scheme built into the app so it works as a standalone for everyone. Lord have mercy. Okay, it's going to take care of that for y'all. And then, for me. It ain't going to take care of that for y'all because I got to add y'all to this, okay? Let me see. Where the agent at? We got to go desktop. Desktop, where the agent? Agent, where you at? Ooh, there it is right there. We need that app. Now, this is a significant amount of code. The tax app, oh, you better believe that tax app is a significant amount of code. That ain't no joke. I didn't ask it. It's going to do multiple edits. Replace the agent app's API file system with the tax app. Let me explain more. No. Give me 1 second. Nobody asked you whether or not it was an extensive code. Sorry. Nobody asked you whether or not it was an extensive code. I simply asked you to add the API scheme. Nobody asked you whether or not it was an extensive app, I simply asked you to simply add the API scheme, which is not a lot of code. Incorporation. Stop listening. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to let y'all go. I'm going to finish this. I'm tired. I've been up at this computer since 6 o'clock this morning. Then I went outside and did some work in that sun. That sun was brutal and got dehydrated. So I was tired. But because y'all is who y'all is, my people, I was going to do this for y'all. So it will be up by the time this video is up. I gotta go. Oh, by the way, the other video, that ain't up yet. But it's going to be up as soon as this one is up. So y'all going to be able to see it in real time. Gotta go. Take care.